Hello everybody, this is Atoshi and I'm back with another new word. Today's word is rudimentary. Rudimentary. Rudimentary means something which is limited to the basic principle. That means something which is not advanced or developed. Rudimentary is again an adjective which can be used to describe a noun. The synonyms are elementary, fundamental or introductory, and the antonyms are developed and advanced. The sentences are his rudimentary driving skills prove that he is a danger on the road. That means he just has some basic driving skills. They were given rudimentary training in the job. That means they were given some basic training, not the advanced level. With this, I come to the end of this video and now you have another word with you. Do frame a sentence and comment me below. I'll again come back with another new word. Till then, bye-bye.